It's the magic of math here, and today we're talking area with fractions where we are going to multiply. Here's our question today. We have a rectangle that has a length of 3/5 of an inch and a width of 3/8 of an inch, as shown in this diagram right here. We're asked what is the area in square inches of the rectangle, and we're given 4 answer choices. Here's where you pause the video, do your best work, select your answer, and then come back to see my work. Good luck. Welcome back. So we are finding the area of this rectangle using the formula A equals L times W, or length times width. So we have a length of 3/5 of an inch and a width of 3/8 of an inch. To find the area, we're going to multiply the length by the width. So let's set that up. Length times width. So that's 3/5 multiplied by 3/8. To multiply fractions, we're first going to multiply the numerators. 3 times 3 is 9. So area is going to equal a numerator of 9. Now let's go find the denominator. Now we're going to multiply the denominators. 5 times 8 is 40. So the area is 9/40. This is in simplest form because 9 only has factors of 3 and 40 is not evenly divisible by 3. And we can see that our answer choice is C, 9/40 of a square inch. And that is how we find the area of a rectangle with fractions. We multiply the length and the width. And that's the magic of math, where we master math one video at a time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you come back soon.